Okay, guys. What's inside of these food? Let's check it out. Oh, it's donuts. Plain donut with sugar added on it. I also take one. So I'll take one and put it in the microwave. So let's go. Let's put it in the microwave. Okay, back in the microwave. Back in the microwave. Keep it cooked for 30 seconds. No effects. It has no effects on it. 16 seconds. No effects. It has no effects on it. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Okay, it's cooked it. Oh, it's bread, it's bread. Cooked it donut bread, cooked it donut bread, cooked it plain donut bread. This is a plain cooked donut bread with no leaves on it. Let's give it a try. Hold on, I need to lock the door. There we go. Hold still. Okay. This is a plain donut bread. Sugar. Okay. This is a New York plain donut bread sugar. So let's give it a try. No milk on it. But it tastes good though. And like the comment and like the video though.